It was a bright morning, and Sia had just finished playing with her toys. Blocks were under the bed. Bugs were on the chair. And her teddy bear was wearing socks. Sia looked at the mess and sighed. Where did the floor go? She asked, giggling. Mommy walked in and said, It's cleanup time, superstar. I'll help you start. Sia clapped her hands and sang her cleanup song. Toys in the bin, bugs on the shelf. Let's clean up fast and do it ourselves. She put her blocks in the toy box, stacked her books neatly, and tucked Teddy into bed with a little kiss. Look, Mommy, she said, beaming. My room is happy again. Mommy gave her a big hug. You did an amazing job, Sia. See how nice it feels? Sia twirled in her tidy space and whispered, I like when my room can breathe. And from that day on, Sia made cleanup time a little dance party. The end. Subscribe to Bright Beans Learning for more stories with Sia.